As a trusted advisor and business partner to our customers, Ricoh provides digital services and solutions. We work to solve problems and business challenges that are relevant and aligned to our customers' digital transformation initiatives. With a long history as a world-class manufacturer and with over 1.4 million global customers, we built a best-in-class service delivery capability and infrastructure. It's a tremendous investment in people, processes, workflows, technology infrastructure, process automation. There's a lot that goes into it. About 5 years ago, Ricoh had an idea. What if we could take all this great capability and offer it to other manufacturers of electromechanical equipment? Think about it. They innovate and we execute on the operating plan. Let them use their valuable working capital and focus it on R&D, engineering, sales, marketing, while we take on the burden of the overhead and the field service management.
The Service Advantage program evolved from this simple premise and leverages decades of Ricoh's investments in people, processes, and technology, allowing other equipment manufacturers to benefit from Ricoh's core lifecycle support services. Through a strategic partnership with Ricoh, portfolio partners can rapidly expand their global or regional footprint and accelerate growth opportunities.
With Service Advantage, we establish strategic alliances where there's a clear success plan for accelerated growth. We deliver on a service promise that our partners have for their own customers, a service promise that we deliver to our customers as a manufacturer and service provider. This is strategic alignment on two levels. There's a cultural fit around quality, around truly believing that you need thoughtful lifecycle support. These are services such as designing a service program for your products, the installation of your products, the actual provisioning and setup of the products. When you design this, you need to have training. The training is for people who need to operate the equipment, but it's also for the people who need to support the equipment, people who need to provide preventative maintenance and emergency service. There's a lot that goes into the data that goes back to the customer. We want to be able to report effectively on our performance. We want to be able to analyze the data. We also want to be thoughtful from an eco perspective, and when equipment is retired, actually reclaim it in a thoughtful manner. This all goes into lifecycle support services. There's also economic fit. We're providing a premium service on equipment that's rather complex. We both need to be able to monetize the value that we provide our customers, and we'll realize the returns through customer wins. The Service Advantage Partner Portfolio is a select group of electromechanical manufacturers. They believe in the strategic alignment. They believe that if they can innovate, we can execute. They can accelerate growth through partnership. They can optimize their working capital. They believe that Ricoh has a trusted brand, a very thoughtful delivery process and approach with very predictable outcomes, and that's what we all want. These are OEM partners that really want to elevate their service levels and their service promise to their customers. We're able to create together a clear path to accelerated and controlled growth, the bottom line being happy customers.
Through a trusted partnership with Ricoh Service Advantage, technology manufacturers can emerge faster on a global or regional scale with their reputation intact and growth mode well underway. Let Ricoh become your trusted partner. Contact us today.